Ang ingay nila. What's up, mga peeps? Oh? Ay, meron palang ganito. Okay. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Meron na bang tao? Meron na bang nanonood? Wala pa ata. Gusto ko mag-magic. Ano nangyari nung ginawa ko? Teka. Wait, no. Try ko sana yung background ba? Paano ba baguhin yung Nakakatawa naman to. Teka. Nag-i-explore ng... Hello sa isang viewer, dalawang viewer dyan. Kumusta po kayo? How are you guys? You are right now watching me kanang exploring Facebook live. First time ko to at natutuwa ako kasi habang may hinihintay ako, at least may ginagawa ako, 'di ba? Hindi yung puro na lang ano. So, malay ko may mapasaya ako diyan. Ayun, tignan mo na nga ba. Pwede bang mag-change ng background? Kasi, ordinary lang kasi yung background ko. Ganito lang, simple lang. Sino ba yung nanonood? O, 3 ng viewer. Sino ba nanonood? Tap to invite a viewer to... Sino to? Teka nga, ano ba ginagawa ko dito? Hello? Hello po. Ay, nandyan si tita. Hi, tita. If you're wondering what I'm doing right now, it's my free time. Hi, Kuya Rickson! Kuya Rickson! Happy watching from Spratly Island, West Philippine Sea. Hi, Kuya Rickson! Hindi pa ako sure kung anong gusto kong gawin. Hindi ako sure kung anong gusto kong kantahin. I know I want to sing, pero hindi ko alam kung ano. Siguro depende na lang din. Trinay ko to sa ano. Actually, kanina pa ako live ng live. Parang nag-explore lang ako kasi baka meron fruit naman yung ginagawa natin. Tsaka para makapag-practice din ako. Ang ingay sa labas, no? Hi, tita! Hi, tita Miriam! Kumusta po kayo? Always praying. May chance ba naman? Ito. Ay, teka, wait. May chance ba? Paano ba Hi, Kuya Aljon! Kumusta ka na, Koy? Naku ni si Kuya. Kumusta na si Ate Jean? Kagambata niyo. Ay, nahidlaw ko sa inyo, Koy. Ay, nag-reconnect sila. Ang saya ko naman. Teka, okay. Ganito na lang. Kasi hindi ako sure kung ano yung gusto kong genre ngayon. It can be religious. It can be religious. It can be secular. Nakadepende na po sa inyo. Gusto ko po kasi, kanina ko pa gusto talaga, pero walang nagpaparamdam sa akin. So, nag-try ako. So, ang gusto kong mangyari ngayon is, gusto ko na, kung meron kayong naisipan nyo lang na, tingin nyo alam kong kanta, mapa-religious man siya or secular, please comment down below para mabasa ko. At saka, i-cater ko yung requests nyo. It can be secular, it can be religious. So, either. Kasi may mga hinanda din naman akong religious dito. Hindi lang ako sure. I'm not sure how to start this. Because this is the first. Hi, Kuya Ginny! Ang dami ko naman alam nyo, namimiss ko talaga yung mga kuya ko sa sipak. Ang dami-dami kasi akong naging friends sa college ko na memorable talaga sa akin. Ang dami kong kaibigan sa college. Ewan ko kung naaalala pa ako nila. Okay. Ano ba? Siguro mas mabuti kung simulan natin siya sa... Ayun! May request na! Ayun nga! Kuya Aljun, request kong song When Life Gets Broken. Okay. Sige. Try natin to. Sige, kuya ha. Today si Jesus. Wow! Dami na nito. Okay, sige. Teka. Aayusin ko lang yung equipment ko. Wala po akong... Okay lang ba? Wala po akong microphone dito kasi nasa taas po ako. Nasa baba yung mga mic namin. Tapos siguro natutulog si mama. Hi, Joy! Ha, Joy! Tabi ko nalipatan mo na ako, Joy. Kapon. Anyways, kumusta ka na, Joy? Ikaw ya gwapa. Sige. Mas marami akong friends dito na nanonood sa Facebook kaysa sa iba, no? Oo nga, sige, mag-request ka, Kuya Jinik. O yun nga, may na-request ka na. Okay, sige, simulan natin sa ang ingay-ingay sa labas. Naririnig niyo ba? Sige, kantahin ko itong request ni Kuya, When Life Gets Broken. Piano version tayo, para maganda, para feel. Pero wala yung kapatid ko, na-miss ko nga siya eh. Kung nanonood yung kapatid ko, umakyat ka nga dito, kanta tayo. Ali, dili. Kuya Jinik, do they see Jesus nga? Do they see Jesus in me? Kontsakto. Hands reaching out with no one to hold. You've been abandoned with no place to go. Wounded and wanting, such desperate times. Cold, bitter tears are filling your eyes. Get a glimpse of Jesus, for He is right there with you. He knows just what you need. 'Cause when life gets broken, when you're in despair, He'll carry your burma. Ay ma, uy, visit pag muna ako diri sa taas. Ay, ang awkward naman. There is nothing you have lost. Papuntahin si Shinny dito, ma. Pasaka Shinny diri, ma. Tama na. And when life gets broken, ma, pasaka Shinny. You hoped God would heal it, but the storm raged anyway. No, it's hard to imagine how you'd make it through the day. Weeks turn to years, time's passing you by, but you're still holding on to the house and the wives. So get a glimpse of Jesus, for He's right there with you. He knows just what you need. 'Cause when life gets broken, when you're in despair, He'll carry your burden when it's too much to bear. It's down in the valley where He'll give you strength. start all over again. Hinahanap ka ni Kuya Benj. He'll help you start all over again. He'll help you start all over again. When life gets broken. Ikaw yung nag-angry? Ikaw nag-angry? Oh. Hi, Kuya! Hi, Kuya Benj! May nag-heart eh. Eh, si Kuya Mardy. Hi, Kuya Mardy! Hi, Joy! Kanina pa nagpa-shoutout. Hi, Joy! Si Shin, nandito lang sa tabi ko.
Hi!
Nandyan. Hala, si Uncle! Hi, Uncle! Trial and error lang. Bye-bye. Baba na rin ako mamaya. Hindi kasi Kuya Benj, si Shin kay busy. Gipugos rin ako siya kanta. Ay, nako. Watch ba di as mama? Goy, mama. Goy. Goy, mama. Hi, Auntie Ryan. Hello. Trial and error lang to. Okay. Magugwilingaw. Sa Kuya Mel! Hi, Kuya Mel! Si Kuya Mel, oy. Kumusta naman akong kuya di, oy? Tawa siya. Kumusta naman akong kuya di, oy, doy? Saon man, ay, da. Kumusta naman ka, kuya, oy? Mingaw na ba ako ni mo, koy? Paano mag-heart? Ikaw, kuya. Okay. Ito nga. Ano pa ba? Ay! Meron pala yun si kuya. Ano ni-request? Teka. Natoy gi-request si kuya. Dito. Ano to? Mandiri copy akong computer. So, ako sa i-copy ka diot. Wait lang, Kuya Jinik, ha? Napakadiha, Kuya Jinik. Si Kuya Jinik ba to? Walagi. Hana? Oh, today si Jesus daw. Kuya Jinik, napakadiha. Paramdam po diha, Kuya. Bantay ka lang. request ka niya. Di ka paramdam, ha? Wait lang, ha? Kani siyang next na ko kantahon. This, when, Kuya Mel, eh. This next song I'm going to share to you is a song that I thought, ito na lagi, kay, ha? Oo, katungo sa lagi. Wait. Kay ko, o day pod. Sige lang, nag-trial pa po bitaw ko. Try pa ni. Sige lang. Oo, kuya, oo. Ate Melody Rodriguez. Ate, kumusta na po kayo? Naku. Ate, umalis na ako, ate. Kasi na-miss kita. Joke lang. Ito, naglibog na ako sa akong language. This next song I'm going to share to you is Do They See Jesus in Me? Hoy, Kuya Jason, makaron ha. Dilibigo. Salig kay na. Sige lang, Uncle, mag-live me balik na kami na. Oh, next time na lang, Uncle, ha, kay nag-trial pampug ko niya kadiyot ramang ko actually kay Actually, I did this live because I'm waiting for something. I'm waiting for some update on something I'm working on in the computer. So, I thought na free time ko naman eh. So, why not? Di ba? So, ayun nga, Nera. I'm just exploring. So, this next song is entitled, Do They See Jesus in Me? Do They See Jesus in Me? Nga, first na ko ni siya na practice or na batian nga kanta, paubaya. Teka. Hindi ko pa ata na master yan, Kuya Benj. Sige la, try ko later. Basta kaning Do They See Jesus, gi-practice ni sa amo ang sa mga kami na mag-batchmates sa sa sipak para sa amo ang consecration song and and singing a song na favorite ko na siya. And since na favorite ko na siya, gin-teach ko siya sa singing group sa mga children, sa mga Heaven Seekers nga singing group, mga grupo sa mga bata. So sila nang gasing sini. And I'd like to share this one. Kakuya pa ni nga pagka-piano. Kuya Jezreel. Nga classmate ko. Is the face that I see in the mirror the one I want others to see? Do I show in the way that I walked in my life the love that you've given to me? My heart desires to be like you in all that I do, all I am. Do they see Jesus in me? Do they recognize your face? Do I communicate your love and your grace? Do I reflect who you are in the way I choose to be? Do they see Jesus in me? It's amazing that you'd ever use me, but use me the way that you will. Help me to hold out a heart of compassion and grace, a heart that your spirit fills. May I show forgiveness and mercy the same way you've shown it to me. Do they see Jesus in me? Do they recognize your face? Do I communicate your love and your grace? Do I reflect who you are in the way I choose to be? Jesus in me. Do they see Jesus, Jesus in me? In me. That was Do They See Jesus and Me in Me, requested by Kuya Ginny Carpuente. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you sa pag-request ng kanta. That was one of my favorite songs. You know naman nga, every time we serve God, especially sa mga something that I share with those who are. You're welcome, Kuya Jinik. Something that I share with fellow Adventists, fellow Christians, na they really spend as much as possible each and every time ng ilahang everyday, they really spend some time to praise God. How? Maybe through practicing new songs to sing in church, maybe preparing their messages for the coming Sabbath or the coming midweek, Vesper. At saka, hindi po ganun, it's not that easy. Ako nagrarambo sa aking language. I mean, something that we can share with these people is kanang yung feeling na every time you do something good to others, the number one thing you should ask is, nakikita ba nila si Jesus sa akin? Hindi yung ginagawa mo lang siya, hindi lang yung nagsiserve ka lang kay God kasi yun yung duty mo, kundi concerned ka din ng anong tingin sa'yo ng ibang tao. What do other people see? Do they see Jesus in me? Yun na nga. Yun yung message ng kanta. Oh, ganun. So, maganda na, parang naano na ako sa mga religious na lang siguro, no? Oh, may song request pa ba kayo dyan? Kuya Benj, yung paubaya, hindi ko yun na master. Wala akong, narinig ko lang siya, pero hindi ko na master. So, hindi ko makakanta yun. I'm doing religious songs priority, then kung meron kayong mga secular dyan na gusto nyo marinig, sige, kayo dyan. Kasi nga, may hinihintay nga ako. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nagpaparamdam sa akin. Ang ganda talaga, no? Alam nyo yung feeling na hindi Sabbath ngayon, pero nandyan, ramdam mo yung presence ni God kasi yung pinapakinggan mo, yung kinakanta mong songs is religious. Hindi yung kahit ano lang, you know? We spend so much time doing secular things that we often forget na i-prioritize natin yung Panginoon sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. Sa lahat talaga ng ginagawa natin. As in. Pero alam nyo yun, sa kabila ng kahit na nakakalimutan natin si God minsan, He still remembers us. He's taking good care of us. Yun yung number one na let's be thankful for, because God is always faithful. God always gives us everything that we need every day. Tinutulungan niya tayo every day. Ito. May i-share ako sa inyong religious song. Ayun na. Religious na talaga siya. Ito. This is... Oh, pwede. My life is in your hand daw. Uy, dalawa talaga sila. Hi, Adreline! Kumusta ka na, Day? Kumusta ka na? Okay, dito tayo sa... Sige, my life is in your hands nga. Meron ba akong edited version nito? Wala. Sige, relax na tayo. Hindi gusto. Teka lang, ha? Favorite ko din yan. Alam niyo, maganda talaga yung meaning ng kantang yan. It's something na you really makaka-relate tayo kasi everyday, we don't know what happens every day. Every day, something good or something bad happens to you in your life. May ma-experience tayo na happy, may ma-experience tayo na sad. Pero yun nga, yung sinasabi na lang natin in the end is, yung life natin, nasa kamay lang talaga ng Panginoon. Ate Jean! Ate Jean! I miss you too, ate. Kumusta ka na? Kumusta naman ang inyong nga bata? Makahidlaw. Hi! Wait lang. Sige nga. Ito na lang. Kasi hindi ko alam paano to i-edit yung... Hindi ko alam paano i-up yung ano. Sige. Life can be so good, and life can be so hard, never knowing what each day will bring to where you are. Sometimes I forget, and sometimes I can't see that whatever comes my way, you'll be with me. My life is in your hands, my heart is in your keeping. I'm never without hope, not when my future is with you. My life is in your hands, and though I may not see clearly, I will lift my voice and sing, 'cause your love does amazing things. Lord, I know my life is in your hands. Uy, si Joy nagre-reminisce. Siya kasi yung camera woman ko nung sa Sipag Park. Si Joy, makadumdum lang ko, Joy. Nothing is for keeps. All I know is that your love will live eternally. So I will find my rest, and I will find my peace, knowing that you will meet my every need. My life is in your hand, my heart is in your keeping. I'm never without hope, not when my future is with you. My life is in your hands, and though I may not see clearly, I will lift my voice and sing, 'cause your love does amazing things. Lord, I know my life is in your hand. When I'm at my weakest, Lord, you carry me. Then I become my strongest, Lord, in your hands. It's in your hands. I'm never without hope, not when my future is with you. format error. Okay, ayun nga. Tijin. All along. Okay, sige. May time pa ako. Sige. Let's sing all along. Kanta tayo. Ito yung may backup. Piliin ko yung may background vocals para masaya. Dumduman pa ni Ate Jean. Time just drifts away, and as I look back on the years with memories of happiness and bitter tears, through it all there was a common thread which can't be ignored. You were there, teaching me to be your servant, Lord. All along, your hand has been guiding me, shaping my life to be a beautiful song. All along, you've led me through things that you do would make me strong. Your love has been there all along. Every joy and pain had a reason of its own. Now I realize that I was not alone. The changing seasons of my life are not left up to chance. Lord, I know you were working to fulfill your plan. All along, your hand has been guiding me, shaping my life to be a beautiful song. All along, you've led me through things that you do would make me strong. Your love has been there all along. Tomorrow when I turn around and I look back at today, I will understand your purpose, and my thankful heart will say, all along, your hand has been guiding me, shaping my life to be a beautiful song. All along, you've led me through things that you do would make me strong. Your love has been there all along. Your love has been there all along. Yun po ang all along na ni-request po ni Ate Jean. Thank you, Ate Jean. That was one of my favorite songs. So, ayan. Yan muna kasi nag-chat na po sa akin yung hinihintay ko. Thank you po sa lahat ng nanood and God bless po sa inyong lahat. Bye! See you next time! Ay! Huwag po ninyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel namin. Yun po ang Soul Seekers by De La Serna Family. At saka follow nyo na din po ako sa... Meron din po akong ginawang YouTube channel. Active na po siya ngayon. Nagpo-post po ako doon ng mga short videos, short movies na mga ginawa namin simula noon hanggang ngayon. So, baka may interest naman kayo pag free time nyo, view nyo din, ha? Okay? At saka abangan nyo po yung mga bagong music videos na ipapalabas namin sa YouTube channel namin sa Soul Seekers by De La Serna Family. Abangan nyo po yan kasi makatulong rin po kayo mag-spread sa ministry ng Panginoon, no? At saka, i-share nyo po yung mga videos, mag-like kayo, mag-subscribe, i-click nyo po yung notification bell para ma-updated po kayo sa mga bagong videos na ipopost namin. So, marami pa pong coming, mga vlogs, mga music videos. So, please stay tuned and see you again next time. Bye! Bye, Facebook!